So welcome to the press conference of introducing the ECO² NEB Lab Step in the Challenge, European Bauhaus side event we organize. We organize this in these 2 days from Paris and from Brussels. We are now in the Fondation GoodPlanet, in the salon GoodPlanet at the first stage of GoodPlanet castle. GoodPlanet school is here on this domain. And we found this was an interesting place for communicating the start of our initiative and sharing this with partners of the European Bauhaus and with greater public. So we are grateful you relay this communication because we want to involve schools, school communities, neighborhoods, citizens, cities, regions, innovators, all those stakeholders that can co-produce a solution for tomorrow's schools, integrated with the neighborhood, changing offers of education. So we are Alliance Sans Économie, and we are here with a consortium of stakeholders. So I will share my screen so we can present you what is the content. So what will be the content of this communication to the press is first sequence, who we are and why we bring the press here this morning. Alliance Sans Économie is official partner of the European Bauhaus for about 1.5 years. We are coming out from a long co-design phase and exchanges between partners of the European Bauhaus. And the European Commission has started through short the European Bauhaus Lab education places for learning, a transformation of places for learning within the European Bauhaus. We are in consortium with Open School for Open Society, which is existing European program led by Elina Germaniki School in Greece, with research and development team that is connecting many schools in Greece and internationally in Europe. We are here with support of GoodPlanet Foundation here in Paris, but GoodPlanet in Belgium, what is significantly involved in the transformation of schools, education in neighborhoods, in many very qualitative programs in Belgium. We are happy to have with us in the beginning of this program, responding very positively to this Foundation for Environmental Education, ECO² Global. So it is not only the program ECO-Schools, it is the program of EcoCampus, of Green Key, Young Reporters for the Environment, renowned NGO internationally present with different local partners, and GoodPlanet is the local partner for Belgium with different other partners in the different European countries. So why we start this ECO-Schools initiative within the European Bauhaus? First, it's a story a story everyone can experience. Schools of our children, we know, in the neighborhood are in the states we known 25, 30 years ago when we were self at school. The school is quite unchanged. If we see the buildings, they are not so in good state. Many schools need renovation after long years of use. Also, the process is unchanged. And if we are looking in our neighborhoods, because every neighborhood, every village has a school in this situation, we see that there is a lot to do. Actually, when you are talking with your neighbor, with your friends, you see things are moving in big changes. We will learn a more cooperative way of living, shared mobility, shared objects, circular economy, short distance distribution network, and food. Renovation of our houses is a big cooperative process. It cannot be with individual solutions. The school in our neighborhood is the perfect place to start the transformation of the neighborhood, the village, as a community. So following this story, we have co-designed for about 1 year the process for eco-renovating more than 150 schools a year in connection with their neighborhoods, village in transition at 3 generations. This program will be operated by membership participation with pooling of resources, tools, and cooperative budget. In a second phase, it will be fully operational with the constitution of a common vehicle, a cooperative company, a multi-party European cooperative society that will connect, inspire, equip, and help decentralized initiatives in the territories. Because it is time to make a fair and sure steps towards action, a membership and support campaign is launched today, which will make it possible to start this Open Cooperative Lab by the start of the next school year within the European Bauhaus. The challenge is to test, demonstrate how to combine actions, needed sustainable renovation of educative buildings that have a role of enablers for neighborhood villages in transition, involving 3 generations. NEB, Mission 100 Climate Neutral and Smart Cities are key elements from the European Union for helping this transformation. With an innovative learn by doing pedagogic approach fitting with European climate law goals and also new competence framework about sustainable education. A common design thinking method, what is the key to success in the alchemy of combining views, skills, expertises, cultures, user-centered approach. A cooperative governance and investment approach as shared involvement is important to reach systemic scalable impact. Our target population is the school as community, to be renovated educative sites, buildings and surrounding spaces as enablers for neighborhoods, villages in transition at 3 generations. We are working with 5 focus systemic change we want to address together. Actually, almost all solutions are existing today. The important aspect is to implement all those dimensions together to achieve the goal of -6% of CO2 emission each year. What is the challenge? The first focus is addressing solutions for renovating schools in series. The second one, multifunctional open for the neighborhood village. 3, other focuses for better co-learning. 4, a community engaged in the eco-transition. 5, restoring a cycle with nature permaculture. Those 5 dimensions have to be developed together. We are here in GoodPlanet Foundation, GoodPlanet School, where you can see this systemic implementation. It can be beautiful. It can be very driving for the peoples that are living in those spaces, the visitors, the community that is around those buildings. What is here achieved by the GoodPlanet Foundation, we want to achieve this in all the neighborhoods, in different places in Europe, starting with 6 climate cultural regions. This is the ambition of Open Cooperative NEB Lab ECO²-SCHOOLS. Everyone is welcome to contribute, be inspired. So a campaign which aims to gather a broad support and by the intention to join interested stakeholders is published on the website ECO2-SCHOOLS.eu. So what is the European Bauhaus Lab? The NEB Lab is a co-creation space at the service of the European Bauhaus community in order to deliver beautiful, sustainable, and inclusive projects for improving our daily lives. The lab is where the new European Bauhaus is implemented in concrete and tangible projects. It is about what we can achieve when we work together in a spirit of openness and trust. It focuses on connecting people, learning from each other, and harnessing each other's experiences. NEB Lab projects translates the new European Bauhaus into concrete actions with 2 missions. Create enabling conditions for the green transition, such as new tools, frameworks, policy recommendations, etc. Trigger tangible transformation on the ground. So how do we want to start this NEB Lab? Where? Actually, we want to start this lab in 6 climate cultural regions that are formed by the consortium that is starting this initiative. The countries in cross-border situations are France with Belgium, Greece with Mediterranean neighboring countries, Portugal with Spain and connections with Africa, North Africa, Ireland with UK, but is still cooperating with the European Union, North Belgium with the Netherlands, Germany, Austria. Those are concerned by the Bauhaus of the mountains. So this is the application, and also Sweden and Denmark and neighboring countries, Nordic Bauhaus of the Nordic countries. In those 6 regions, there are many initiatives ongoing. We want to connect those initiatives. We want to co-implement in volunteer pilot sites together the 5 dimensions of ECO²-SCHOOLS concept. Who we are, We are an alliance. We are Alliance Sans Économie in France, which is a for non-profit collective interest cooperative society whose associates are public and private actors working on the transition of organizations and territories towards a partnership economy based on cooperation between companies, associations, public authorities, and academic actors. This is something what is beginning to be developed in Europe, but not so often. We want to use this method to develop in a decentralized way the ECO²-SCHOOLS NEB Lab. We are in France the first dedicated open co-development platform for incubating and scaling up responsible cooperation economy and resilient territories with systemic change innovative projects. The co-founders of this initiative are Open Schools for Open Societies, Fondation GoodPlanet, Foundation for Environmental Education, with ECO² EcoCampus, and support of Wallenberg Foundations, which is the main sponsor of one of 6 pilot sites. Volunteer pilot sites are Elena Germaniki in Greece, a school with its own research and development department, which is already almost 20 years applying innovative approaches. Microville 112, which is a sustainable neighborhood campus, Microville Durable, that will be created in the next month and 2 years in Courcy-Brimont, near Reims, on a former military basis. Sigtuna Skolani Humanistica Läroverket, that is a school in northern of Stockholm, in Sweden, a patrimonial school, which has high ambition to renovate the schools with the students, with the sponsors of the school, with the neighborhood, with the whole ecosystem. University College of Cork, which is the first eco-campus that has get the green flag from Foundation for Environmental Education. University College of Cork is willing to involve in this systemic change approach, designing a transition plan for the campus, with the first pilot that will be co-designed. And finally, we have Sciencia Viva in Portugal, which is a network developing science in neighborhoods, in schools, in farms, in different provinces and cities of villages of Portugal. It's also a museum in the center of Lisbon. Joining us are other partners. It is open. We will have in the coming 2 days, tomorrow, cross-border roundtable on the subject with Belgium, with connecting with existing initiatives. Skill sponsorship is also present in the consortium with in common innovative solution supports. We have Antaiske, which is other local partner in Ireland of Foundation of Environmental Education, ECO²-SCHOOLS. We have the University of Bayreuth in Germany. We have Cergy École de Design in France, very innovative new design school within a university campus of Cergy Université. Lernlandschaft in Germany, a private company that has a mission to transform the schools as open living spaces. The NUVNCS, which is an architecture agency, internationally renowned in the Netherlands, but has begun to develop a mission of sustainable architecture, sustainable project, sustainable quality. So this consortium we are is naturally open for parties willing to join us. It's open to support. It's open to partnership. So the address to go through for getting in the ECO² NEB Lab challenge is going to the website www.eco2-schools.eu. So we are ready. It is an online press conference. It is recorded. So you can get in contact with us for having an interview about this program. We thank you very much for following this. And we will be happy to discuss this with you in the next days and weeks.